In this session, let us discuss about the various sense organs of our body. Even though sense organs are deleted from the syllabus from CBSE, it may be included for NEET. That's why we should not leave this topic. Okay. So, according to the position of the sense organs, there are three types of receptors, namely exteroreceptors are the sense organs. They receive stimuli from outer environment directly. They are exteroreceptors. Proprioreceptors, these are the receptors which are present in joints, skeletal muscles, tendons, which are not in direct contact with environment, but they are affected by changes in the environment. So they are called proprioreceptors. Internal or visceral receptors, the receptors in viscera, they are present in viscera. They receive stimuli originating from within the body itself. Within the body, they are visceral receptors, internal receptors. Proprio, not in direct contact with the external environment, but they are affected. Extero, direct contact with the environment. And coming to the different types of receptors, according to the form of the stimulus they receive, they are tango receptors, where they are present in the sense organs for touch, pressure, pain, heat or cold. They are generally located on the skin. The receptors which are present below the epidermis for touch and only gentle pressure, they are called Meissner's corpuscles. They are called Meissner's corpuscles, which are for touch and gentle pressure. And receptors which are present deep in dermis of skin, joints, tendons, muscles, which respond to the changes in the pressure, they are called Pacinian corpuscles for pressure changes. They are deep in dermis. And as you know, hypothalamus is for thermoregulation, regulation of temperature in the body. And next, the receptors for smell, they occur in a small patch of olfactory epithelium which is pseudostratified. It is located in the roof of the nasal cavity. These receptors are located on the roof of the nasal cavity. And olfactory glands, which are also called Bowman's glands, which are present below the olfactory epithelium. Below the olfactory epithelium, these glands are present which secrete mucus to keep that area moist, to humidify the air. And also the mucus protects the cells from trapping the dust and bacteria. And next, taste receptors are also called gustatory receptors. These are taste receptors. They are present on taste buds present on the tongue. Mostly they are present on the taste buds present on the tongue. And they may also occur on, they are also present on palate, pharynx and epiglottis, which is the which closes the glottis to prevent the while swallowing, to prevent the entry of the food particles into the windpipe, that is the epiglottis. And also they lie on the proximal part of the esophagus. Next major organs, sense organs, are eye and ear. Okay, let us discuss it in the next session. Thanks for watching.